Welcome to our channel. Today we how to create an online community with Reddit detailed guide step by step clearly. Start by identifying your niche or topic of interest. Research existing subreddits related to your chosen topic. Analyze the strengths and weaknesses of those communities. Determine what unique value you can provide to your potential members. Create a Reddit account if you don't already have one. Choose a name for your subreddit that reflects your focus. Click on the Create Community button. Fill out the required fields, including your subreddit name, description, and rules. Make sure your rules are clear and concise to set the tone for your community. Decide whether your subreddit will be public, restricted, or private. Customize your subreddit's appearance to align with its theme. Upload a suitable banner image and icon for branding. Write a compelling community description that highlights your goals. Consider adding a sidebar with useful links and resources. Announce the launch of your subreddit in relevant existing subreddits. Engage with early members by welcoming them and encouraging introductions. Post quality content regularly to keep the community active and engaged. Encourage discussions by asking open-ended questions. Respond to comments to foster a welcoming atmosphere. Consider creating weekly or monthly themes to guide discussions. Monitor posts to ensure they adhere to your subreddit's rules. Utilize mod tools to manage spam and enforce community guidelines. Promote your subreddit in appropriate spaces outside of Reddit. Collaborate with other subreddits to cross-promote your community. Gather feedback from members to continue improving the subreddit. Host events or contests to increase participation and engagement. Celebrate milestones with your community to build a sense of belonging. Stay active and committed to maintaining the culture of your subreddit. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.